What's up guys, so today we're in a special reveal. He's got me a 3D resin printer and a cubic. So never have one, never own one, never use one. So I want you to join me on this and let's see how it works. Alright guys, so I don't want to say disappointing thing, but the only thing that I see right now that is not best, and it came with no resin, not even like a test bottle, nothing. Good thing about this water washable resin, we'll see how it works. Heard good reviews about it, and they don't use no alcohol, so it should be good.